आयुष कौन है इधर?
जब आपको बताया गया या
कौन
आपको
है
पता चला
आयुष?
कि
आयुष
एक
कौन
सेकंड
है?
रुक जा, एक सेकंड रुक जा। और गुड टू सी यू भाई, तुम्हें भी बहुत टाइम से नहीं देखा
थैंक
है।
यू भाई, थैंक यू।
जी।
आयुष?
सलमान जी, आप कुछ टिप्स भी देते हैं कि
हाँ, कि बहनों को मारते नहीं.
I is
I
very
will say
critical about
something
it.
to him. He will go and tell Arpita that this is what Bhai said. And Arpita said, "What have you?" And then call Gumas around onto me. बस
Interesting है।
शुक्रिया इतनी खूबसूरत शक्ल और आवाज़ के लिए. एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी, उसको तो निभानी पड़ेगी. वो मैं कर लूँगा.
The special BGM for Salman Khan sir. Thank you so much sir for coming on stage. How are you doing sir?
Thank you.
And he's looking like a carbon copy sir of you, and I have to say,
No, no, no. He's not looking like a carbon copy. He's looking like a much better version of what he was thinking earlier.
how has it been sir? It's been a tough
मेरी
time.
खुद की पिक्चर है ना, कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. उनकी पिक्चर के बारे में, हम हमारी पिक्चर के बारे में.
लेकिन 1.5 साल लग गया सर ये नया अवतार इसका भी देखने का. And also fantastic अवतार. You know we've been seeing, like I said, कि ट्रेलर तो अभी आएगा, but the motion poster also was fantastic. जिस तरह आँख के अंदर से जा रहा था, little birdie has told me a lot of that idea was also yours. कैसा था उसके बारे में सर?
यही था कि आजकल हमेशा जब कोई आइडिया आता है, जब कोई आइडिया हम सुनाते किसी को, तो ऐसा हो गया है कि सर ये नहीं हो सकता. स्टार्ट ही नहीं से करते. एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल. ट्राई तो करो, कोशिश तो करो. फिर हमारे वेरी कॉम्पिटेंट टीम्स ने फिर वो उसको इम्प्लीमेंट किया और आपने वो डिजिटल पोस्टर देखा.
You know, it's been a long time, and also actors के लिए क्या होता है कि you feel like doing something, you know, वो थोड़ा सा the nothingness of the time. I know it happens with, of course, everybody went through it, but especially for you know the stars of our industry. What were you all managing to do in that one? Was there a lot of script readings? Was there a lot of thinking back and forth? But how did that entire 1 year, or you know, say about a year and a half go since say Radhe and now? What was how was the time being utilized?
So I was really lucky with that because Antim has started. तो Mahesh had finished quite a bit of Antim. राधे का सिर्फ कुछ ही बाकी था और थोड़ा सा राधे को अपग्रेड भी करना था. तो जैसे ये लॉकडाउन पहला वाला बंद हुआ, हमने जाके वो कंप्लीट कर दिया. फिर Mahesh as a director is like very bang on. He knows exactly what he wants. तो जितना शूट करना था उतना ही शूट करके हमारी ये पिक्चर बन गई. So we were lucky that Mr. Manjrekar was on our side, and this is his kind of filmmaking genre, which he's taken to the next level. So let's see now. Trailer में देखोगे आपको
कंग्रेचुलेशंस महेश सर. पहला सवाल सर आपसे. एक डायरेक्टर ऑलवेज जब शुरुआत करते हैं फिर वेट कर रहे होते हैं कि कब मैं दुनिया को दिखा सकूं अपना बेबी. इसमें काफ़ी समय लग गया बनाते बनाते. फॉर द डायरेक्टर ऑल्सो कंटिन्यूटी मैच करना, पेशेंस रखना, इट्स अ टफेस्ट जॉब. कैसा रहा सर आपके लिए?
नहीं, आई थिंक द जर्नी वाज बहुत स्मूथ था ये पिक्चर का. इनफैक्ट क्योंकि एक तो स्क्रिप्ट बहुत पहले रेडी थी एंड द एक्टर्स वर प्रिपेयर्ड. तो आधे से ज़्यादा काम तो मेरा वहीं इजी हो गया था. एंड कुछ नहीं, कहीं रुकी नहीं फिल्म. इन स्पाइट ऑफ देयर आर सम फिल्म्स व्हिच गेट लकी. इन स्पाइट ऑफ कोविड का ये भी हम लोग बीच में निकल के भी जस्ट फिनिश द फिल्म इन क्वाइट अ डिसेंट अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम. एक तो प्रोडक्शन बहुत अच्छा था, तो एक आधा वरी निकल जाता है ना, कि देयर यू डोंट हैव टू यूज योर एनर्जी बाय यू नो कि अरे ये मांगते हैं मेरे को वो मांगते हैं. एंड आई थिंक वी हैड अ गुड स्क्रिप्ट. जो बेस, एक तो इट वाज बेस्ड ऑन समथिंग, जो बेस भी अच्छा था, तो वी ट्राई टू इनकॉर्पोरेट समथिंग यू नो. एक उसका बेस लेके द स्क्रिप्ट है शेप्ड अप वेल, एंड इट वाज अ फिल्म व्हिच वाज टू माय लाइकिंग और मेरा जॉनर था. So I think things were easy, and this girl I found new, and I think she's going to give a lot of girls a run for their money.
High praise in your first film. Before I go to the rest of cast, sir, say बाकी महेश सर कहाँ चले गए? ये जो new and improved fitness वाले वर्जन जो भी सलमान सर के साथ फिल्म करते हैं, सब मतलब ये डाइट और वर्कआउट ही शुरू हो जाता है सर.
नहीं ऐसा तो नहीं था, but I had worked out just before Antim. I had lost about 35 kgs. But
That itself is a big round of applause for that.
yeah,
sir.
yeah, yeah. I
Big,
was
big.
105.
Well done.
But फिर then एक unfortunate thing happened after I finished Antim. वो एक ऐसा था कि I was diagnosed with cancer. During, yeah. I shot about the last portion when I had cancer. In fact, I was taking chemotherapy. But then today I'm very happy to tell you that I'm cancer free and
Congratulations, sir. Well done. The fight is always tough.
And he got to know that he had cancer before shooting Antim. He did not tell us, but then we found out, and then as soon as he finished the first lot of shoot, then he went and got himself operated, and now today he's
Looks fantastic. Salman sir, always pressure on you whenever you have other faces with you also. There's a matchup, body matchup also. That also happens rarely. How much did you have to work on Ayush to make sure that the matchup worked?
I had an advantage of age and experience, and he did have an advantage of enthusiasm and 4 months. Yeah, I started one and a half week before the body shot. I thought it was going to get postponed by 4 days, but he would not be able to handle those 4 days. So I had to shoot in those 4 days.
Ayush, this is always a big time for you also. Like I said, तुम्हारा इंतजार रहता है कि यार मैं जल्दी जल्दी लोगों के सामने अपने नए अवतार प्रेजेंट करूं. And we were talking about this also last time. आपकी not just body, even the look is a very different look, of course, and it's shades of meanness, negativity, tough action boy, which you aren't in real life. तो कैसा था transformation मुश्किल?
I think it was very different. As you said, it's not me in real life. So, physical transformation is one aspect of it, but to understand, to do it properly, I think Mahesh sir was very kind enough to help me translate this character. He really helped me on set and used to help me before the shooting began, how to understand what I need to do and how to not make it loud, but make it underplay the whole character. But more than anything, it was Salman bhai who really inspired. For 2 years when the film was in pre-production stage, he'll constantly keep inspiring that, this is a film that you could change yourself, do something different. And I think I'm very lucky that, many actors don't get a chance in the second film to change themselves completely. I think I'm very grateful for the makers to give me that opportunity.
I have two opposite brother-in-laws. One is the most patient one, that's Atul, the most impatient one. कब ट्रेलर रिलीज हो रहा है, कब डिजिटल पोस्टर रिलीज हो रहा है, कब स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं शूट, खत्म करो इसको,
But it's worked well,
कब
sir.
रिलीज कर रहे हैं.
Are you happy with the final product of Ayush?
me, if you ask
Both
me,
of you, sir.
Me?
This is the final product. He said you kept inspiring and you
No,
it
we
was
were
work in
happy with
progress.
this product when my sister got married to him.
but I
We
will
are happy with their products also. Very happy with Ahil and Ayat.
So
But
this
if you ask
production
me-
has done
If you
well.
ask me, I think you expect something. When you're working with an actor, you expect something. This guy will deliver this much. But I think he has far exceeded my expectations. He's fantastic in the film, and I used to say, "ठीक है," but I want people to see Salman in the film because he's a different Salman in the film, and he has done a brilliant job. So I'm more than happy because I got to work with two guys who I'm very, very satisfied when I see the thing. I feel that they've done a great job.
And she's done a brilliant job as well also. Mama, congratulations to the big stage. You're a semi-veteran, film debut, yes, but so for the audiences, like we did this, when did you actually first appear in front of the camera?
Firstly, hi, good
Yeah.
evening. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for making our day even more special. Okay, so to answer your question, I started off acting when I was 10.
So this is an easy cakewalk for you then.
Not at all, not at all. First of all, I can't believe that I'm sharing the stage, the screens with the people around me, and it still feels unreal. And let me tell you, it's a dream come true. Never did I think that I will get this opportunity to work with Salman.
Shuri nikal gayi.
Arey! never did I think this that I would get an opportunity to work with Salman sir, Mahesh sir, incredible people, and to work on a wonderful script. So it was definitely not a cakewalk for me. It was more about proving myself that sir ने अगर अगर महेश sir ने सलमान sir ने भरोसा किया है तो I should prove myself. And I am, like sir said, the character is extremely, it's a pataka. She was a firecracker. For me to crack her and to pull her off was
very simple,
oh no.
as you can all see.
So it still feels unreal, and I can't tell you how happy, how emotional. It's a mixed emotion that I have inside me right now, but I feel incredible and happy, and yeah.
Hi Salman sir, hi Ayush, hi
Hi.
everyone. Firstly, congratulations, the trailer looks zabardast. I have two questions, one for Ayush and one for Salman sir. Firstly, Ayush, from Love Yatri to Antim, it's quite a massive transformation. Could you tell us something on that?
Sir, the film is different, the character was very different. So I just wanted to justify being a part of this movie. So that's why it was about a change of 2 years. I had to change myself, put on a lot of weight. Actually, it was almost like going back to the drawing board post Love Yatri to play Raulya on screen.
And Salman sir, the cop reminds us of Arjun Ranawat in terms of intensity, rawness, and everything else. And I think this is the first time since then that we are seeing you in this avatar. How would you define this cop character? And do you agree that this is the first in the intense space for you since Garv?
Correct. You're absolutely right. Dabang was a different character, so was Wanted, and so was Radhe. This is like that Arjun Ranawat kind of character, serious and heart and mind both working together in tandem. And he's very strong. He is dedicated to his job, and even though all the opposition, he manages to get things done his way.
Thank you and good luck.
आयुष आपके लेफ्ट में
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
आयुष जी जब आपको बताया गया या आपको पता चला कि
आयुष कौन है इधर?
जब आपको बताया गया या आपको
कौन है?
पता चला
आयुष
कि
आयुष
एक सेकंड रुक जा, एक सेकंड रुक जा। और गुड टू सी यू भाई, तुम्हें भी बहुत टाइम से नहीं देखा है।
थैंक यू भाई, थैंक यू।
जी।
आयुष
नहीं आयुष
आयुष
जब आपको बताया गया या आपको पता चला कि आपको सलमान जी के सामने शर्टलेस होना है और वो भी शर्टलेस होकर फाइट करनी है, तो क्या कुछ चल रहा था आपके दिमाग में?
सर, मैंने पहले हार मान ली थी। मुझे रात को नींद नहीं आ रही थी टेंशन के मारे। और कभी ऐसा मतलब स्क्रीन में तो बहुत बार जब सलमान भाई की शर्ट उतरती है तो सीटी मारी है। अभी बहुत डर लग रहा था कि मैं उनके सामने खड़ा हूँ। और यूजुअली हमेशा प्रे करते हैं आप कि जब सलमान भाई फाइट करेंगे तो बहुत मज़ा आएगा। इस बार पिटने वाला मैं हूँ। तो मुझे डर बहुत लग रहा था। और आई थिंक फर्स्ट थिंग जब मैंने भाई को सेट पे मिला था तो मैंने कहा भाई थोड़ा जस्ट गो ईजी ऑन मी, बिकॉज मुझे बिलीव नहीं हो रहा था कि मैं इस टाइम इस मोमेंट में सलमान भाई के सामने खड़ा हूँ।
सलमान जी आप कुछ टिप्स भी देते हैं कि
हाँ कि
जल्दी
बहनोई को
shirtless होनी चाहिए।
मारते नहीं, ब्रदर-इन-लॉ पे हाथ नहीं उठाते। और जब ये आए थे फर्स्ट टेक के अंदर तो भागते हुए आए फुल जोश के अंदर और पंच मारा। I was like नहीं भाई, ये इसका कुछ नहीं कर सकते हम, यहाँ पर तुमको मारना ही पड़ेगा। तो फिर इसके महेश हाँ इसके करीबन 14-15 टेक हो गए और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अब ये पूरी पिक्चर में होते रहेगा।
आयुष, you were scared to hit.
सर, मैंने साइड में बोला था गाड़ी रेडी रखना। गलती से हाथ इधर उधर हो गया तो मैं डायरेक्ट भाग के गाड़ी में बैठ जाऊंगा।
हाँ तो जाओगे भी तो घर ही जाओगे।
बट तब तक थोड़ा शांति से हो जाएगा। बट बहुत डर लग रहा था बिकॉज बहुत जैसे सडनली बताया था कि आके भाई को पंच करना है। तो आई थिंक भाई इज़ वेरी काइंड, तो रियल लाइफ में तो काफ़ी स्वीट होते हैं। बट जब आप ऑन मूवी सेट में देखते हो दैट्स व्हेन यू रियलाइज कि आप सलमान खान के सामने खड़े हो और आपको उनको पंच मारना है। सो आई थिंक दैट डे थोड़ा पैल्पिटेशन टाइप हो गया था मुझे।
As you rightly said कि डर लग रहा था, but given that Salman is there with you in this film, do you think it will work as an advantage because there's a certain section of audience that will definitely come to watch the film, or are you nervous because there would be comparisons and of course references?
Ma'am, for any actor, that's a different subject that I am related to him. But for any actor, it's a dream come true to be in a project that has Salman Bhai. For me, I am very lucky that I am on the poster as well. So I think it's a huge advantage as an actor to be working with him. There are certain things you learn while you are training, and there are certain things you learn while you're on set. And to be a part of, I think most of his films have been so famous and they've been so popular. Uh, I think it's a dream come true for me to be a part of a movie that so many people, it reaches to so many people. So I can get the advantage of showing my work to a lot of people.
And Salman from
ये जो अभी इन्होंने स्पीच दिया है, इसको संभाल के रखना. कुछ सालों के अंदर, I told Bhai not to do it, but he didn't listen. Yeah.
And Salman, from Bhai Jaan to Hindustan Ka Bhai, as your character rightly mentioned, tell us more about playing a Sardar, because I think it's probably for the first time that you're doing that.
No,
also.
I did that. I did that in Heroes a long time ago. And then when you play a character like that, then you need to, give it your best. And so whenever you play a character, any character actually, and you just need to just be very pure and just be very careful and be very, very respectful and dedicated to that character.
And Mahesh sir, I also wanted to ask you, given that as Salman rightly mentioned that you got to know about your illness before the film, how difficult was it to actually shoot amid the illness, or was it actually a healing process for you because you were on set?
No, actually, what happened is when I got to know I have cancer, but I don't know. I was lucky. The chemos didn't affect me at all. I had to take 4 chemos first before I going in for a surgery. It was a huge surgery, but then during the shooting I was under chemo and it didn't affect me so much. But then I don't know. I think work drives you. Your passion drives you, and I always think positively. I never. It didn't shock me that when they told me I got cancer. So I just accepted it and I said, ki, chalo, there are so many people who get cancer and who still fight and survive. So it didn't bother me too much. And then all were helpful in Salman. Everybody knew, so they were all very, very caring, and there was no problem at all. And as I said, the film was like down my road. So I was quite comfortable, and I think both of them were so supportive. In spite of, it was a change of role for Ayush also, a change of role for Salman also. It has whatever humor there is in the film, it comes out of situations. Humor is not thrust in the film. So it is a very, very serious film, but then there is sort of a black comedy in the film. But I'm very, very satisfied with the way the film is shaped up, and it is to my liking. It is a commercial film, but still it is a real film.
So you're working with Salman after a very long time, though even your daughter has worked with him, and this time you're directing the film. You're a part of direction as well as actor. So can you elaborate about your role in the movie?
My role as an actor?
As an actor and as the director, how was
As an actor, I didn't want to, but actually Salman forced me to do the role. What happens is when I prefer not to act in a film I direct, because you always feel you can't see yourself act. You can't say okay because you're there. You don't know what you have done. But then I did.
It was more than okay.
Most of the times I used to shirk away. कि ये scene में इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं. So I used to not do. But then the role was nice, beautiful cameo. So I just did it. But as a director, because I've known Salman now for so many years, we have done so many films as co-stars. So I know Salman. Beyond films also, I treat him more like a brother than a friend because I'm always at his home. So, and I know what capabilities he has. So it was never a very, very difficult thing to direct him at all.
Sir, you were not very critical of him ever? Sometimes is that zone there that family है, so I might be a little more extra critical in a scene?
बिल्कुल ही सर, बिल्कुल नहीं. सर जब सर को गुस्सा आता है तो अच्छा खासा आता है. पूरे सेट को पता होता है सर गुस्से में.
तुम्हारे पर आए हैं सर को
कौन से
ज़्यादा?
सेट? ये सर या ये सर?
मैं तो सलमान सर की बात कर रहा हूँ. सलमान सर आपके साथ क्रिटिकल नहीं होते हैं क्या? आपकी फैमिली हो तो do a little better job, do a better take. Is that pressure not there? Sir, actually this is directed to you. Were you not more critical of him because he has to show a little more?
I keep my criticality within myself. Because then it becomes a big critical problem for him at home.
Bhai is being modest. Bhai is very
I will
critical
say
about
something
it.
to him, he will go and tell Arpita that this is what Bhai said. And Arpita said, what have you, and then call Gumas around onto me. So, but he's a sensible boy. he knows his stuff. He has his brains in the right place and he uses them as well. पढ़ा लिखा छोकरा है and good at heart अभी तक तो.
ट्रेलर भी बहुत ही जबरदस्त है. आयुष is giving a tough competition, physics wise or.
Trust me. I am very happy for him. Very happy for him, for Arpita, for his kids. Me, I've always said you need to compete with the younger boys. Now I'm competing with them.
एक अपना डायलॉग होता है, इसमें भी है इनफैक्ट, वो किस तरह से ध्यान काम आता है उसके बारे में कुछ.
कौन सा डायलॉग?
सरदार की हटेगी. इसके पहले भी था, जो मैं कमिटमेंट कर देता.
हाँ उसी टाइप का लाइन है but I thought this is a line that is suited best because there's a lot of pressure on him. उनके हाथ बंधे हुए हैं. ऐसे या भी झेलते रहूँगा और फिर क्लाइमैक्स के अंदर when he sees that too much wrong is happening then he comes and stands up. It was there in the script, yeah.
It's a superb dialogue, and let me tell you, the trailer is fantastic out here.
Thank you.
Superb trailer, total पैसा वसूल. महिमा, I would like to ask you कि last में it's a clash between Salman Khan and Ayush. तो आप किसके लिए root कर रही थी?
थैंक यू. फर्स्टली जो मेरा कैरेक्टर है वो सबसे पहले तो खुद के लिए रूट कर रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द वे शी इज़. ओके. And because there is a lot of happening on the forefront, we have Salman sir, we have Ayush, and you saw the trailer the way it is. But then you see this girl having her own thing, having her own voice, and for me she was absolutely liberating. Sorry, the nervousness is just around the stage. So
इसी को ये 5 बार इसका गाना बनेगा.
So for me, she was absolutely strong, confident, and someone who has her own voice and who can stand by it. So that is something that absolutely inspired me about the character. And so she's Manda, and Manda is the only girl in the man's world, and that's how she is. So right now she is, I think, rooting for herself.
क्या बात है.
But did you think that she would be able to play the character?
What do you think? I need to know. What do you think?
I am waiting for the film. I'll tell you after that.
Done. I'm going to read what you write.
पक्का.
सलमान सर पिछले 1.5 सालों से मतलब OTT की एक आदत तो लगी है ऑडियंस को. ओके.
जी.
उनको फिर से सिनेमा घरों में लाना, हमें उन्हें किस तरह का कंटेंट देना होगा? विजुअली बहुत खूबसूरत जैसे डिज्नी की फिल्में होती हैं, या मतलब हार्ड हिटिंग फिल्में, क्या लगता है आपको?
देखो अब ये थिएटर में लोग आना शुरू हो गए. अब देखो ये भी 50% भर चुका है. जब आप यहाँ पर आ सकते हैं तो वो ऑडियंसेस भी ज़रूर आ जाएंगे थिएटर्स के अंदर. वो जो हम एक आईपैड या लैपटॉप पे या एक छोटे से फ़ोन पर जो हम फिल्म देखते हैं वो उसका मज़ा नहीं आता जितना कि एक थिएटर में हम सब साथ बैठ कर एक पिक्चर देखें. और इसका कोई अगर आप सोचते हो कि ये छोटे छोटे फ़ोन ये ऑल्टरनेट है ये सिनेमा घरों का, तो आई डोंट थिंक दैट इज़ ट्रू. अब ये फिल्म ऐसा लगा था कि लॉकडाउन नहीं खुलेगा, थिएटर्स नहीं खुलेंगे, तो ये OTT पे जा रही थी फिल्म. एंड इट वाज every which way it was beneficial for us to be on OTT. But we have taken this decision to release the film all over the country and overseas in theaters. Very close to you.
आयुष, जैसे मतलब घर में मतलब दामाद जो है वो बहुत पैम्पर होके मतलब रहते हैं, ठीक है, और मतलब जो खासकर मतलब बड़े साले साहब होते हैं, ठीक है.
सर कभी घर तो आओ आप.
बिल्कुल. तो सलमान सर से आप मतलब कितने इंटिमिडेट मतलब रहते हैं, कितना लिहाज करते हैं, और कब मतलब किस मोमेंट पे उनके साथ फ्रेंडली मजाक भी करते हैं?
Sir, Salman bhai is related to me, but more than anything, I consider him my own elder brother. He's a mentor to me. He has always guided me. जितना भी मुझे थोड़ी बहुत knowledge है films की, it's all thanks to him. हर बात पे एक respect रहती है because he's almost the elder brother who we always go back to. There's no denying the fact that Salman bhai is a very integral part of our family, and at least in my life, he is a very big part of my family. So we always have to go back to him for, even for small things, you want a mental approval because he has an experience that we don't
They
have.
come to me, I go to my father.
But I think the comfort level is always there to say what you have to say, but obviously with respect. I think there's no pride in disrespecting somebody who, because of whom you are where you are.
सलमान
One
से
sec,
वही-
one sec, we'll just one last question.
आपने
then.
नहीं पूछा अभी तक?
नहीं. अच्छा.
हाँ पूछ लिया आपने?
I'll finish with you
अच्छा.
with last, but let her ask that.
महेश और मैं वी लाइक ब्रदर्स. हम एक दूसरे को बहुत अरसे से जानते हैं और इनका सिनेमा मुझे बहुत पसंद है. इनकी हर मराठी फिल्म भी देखी है मैंने. इनके परफॉर्मेंसेस हैं, इनका विजुअल जो सेंस है, राइटिंग का, डायरेक्शन का, हर चीज़ का एक इनमें एक वो एक बड़ी अच्छा ग्रिप है. तो दैट इज़ वाई. और ये फिल्म जब हमारे पास आई, वी थॉट दैट महेश वुड बी द बेस्ट डायरेक्टर फॉर दिस फिल्म. और अब क्योंकि दोस्त हैं तो आई हैड टू गो एंड आस्क हिम कि विल यू डू दिस. मीन्स गिव हिम के यार ये ऑलरेडी कर चुका हूँ इस टाइप की पिक्चर, अंडरवर्ल्ड की पिक्चर, यू नो. But then he said yes, he would love to do it because he really liked the script. So after that, we've completed the film now. Trailer aa chuka hai. I hope you guys liked it. Yeah?
Super hard hitting.
सबसे पहले बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया इतने खूबसूरत ट्रेलर के लिए. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, बहुत
बहुत
ज़्यादा
बहुत
इंटरेस्टिंग है.
शुक्रिया इतनी खूबसूरत शक्ल और आवाज़ के लिए.
इंतज़ार कर रहे थे और ये ट्रेलर देखने मिला. तीन किरदार, तीनों के तीनों किरदार बहुत अच्छे इस्टेब्लिश हो रहे हैं. आयुष का किरदार गुंडा, गुंडे का बाप और एक पटाखा लड़की. तीनों किरदार बहुत अच्छे इस्टेब्लिश हो रहे हैं. लेकिन जो हमारा क्यूट वाला और इंटरेस्टिंग वाला सरदार है, उसके लिए हीरोइन क्यों नहीं फिल्म में? क्यों? एक बड़ी मुश्किल से मौका मिलता है, बड़ी मुश्किल से लोग वेट करती हैं सारी एक्ट्रेसेस सलमान के अपोजिट, और वो मौका महेश जी, सलमान वो
थोड़ा
मौका.
सा हमने सोचा था. डिफ़िकल्ट वाला है, डिफ़िकल्ट वाला है. तो दिस कैरेक्टर इज़ अ मच बेटर कैरेक्टर ऑन हिज ओन. अगर इसके अंदर वो रोमांस भी आ जाता और फिर वो गाने भी आ जाते तो ये कैरेक्टर डाइल्यूट हो जाता. वी डिडंट वांट टू डाइल्यूट द कैरेक्टर. और हमने थोड़ा सा शूट भी किया था, बट देन वी टुक दैट आउट टू बी ट्रू टू द फिल्म. अब एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी उसको तो निभानी पड़ेगी. वो मैं कर लूँगा, आज नहीं तो कल. बट दिस कैरेक्टर वाज is beautiful without a heroine.
Good evening, sir. First of all, a huge round of applause to the entire team. The trailer is really dhasu, really paisa vasool. So huge round of applause. Yeah. Dhasu. But sir, whenever Salman Khan film जब भी थिएटर में आने वाली है, so people का expectations this day, trade का भी एक expectations है. You know that there is a benchmark. Salman Khan film, that means इतनी opening लगने वाली है and all those things. Do you think so because of the phase
जितनी
that
भी ओपनिंग लगती थी उसका 50% कम कर दें.
हाँ जी. So sir, do you think so that now the trade and the industry as a whole, everybody has to temper the expectations?
Yes, but the industry will come back. ये जो एक सीट छोड़ के that will also go away. Everyone has been, mostly everyone has been vaccinated now. अब ये नहीं कि वैक्सीनेशन के बाद आपको कोविड नहीं होगा, दोनों के बाद भी आपको होगा, लेकिन ऐसा होगा जैसे कि वायरल फ्लू है, you know. So it's best to get yourself vaccinated. Whoever is not gotten vaccinated, it's safe for those people.
अरे बाबा, don't take it. सुनो. अभी इसको मैं हटाऊँ. I'll tell you when to remove it. Please don't remove it. Thank you. मैं बोलता हूँ बाबा, relax. हाँ मैं बोलता हूँ.